I think the first quarter has been dominated by preparation of launches. Last year we entered into several partnerships and distribution agreements. So we now have 9 partners that will market Nalox in more than 40 markets worldwide. And the first quarter we focused a lot on training sales teams all over Europe. And many of our partners also placed orders preparing for the main season that starts during the spring and the early summer. So we reached 31 million Swedish kronor in the first quarter. Part of that was milestones, but it was also driven by a 40% increase in product sales compared to the previous quarter. So we had a great start of the year and we're looking with a lot of anticipation into the coming launches. Actually, we want to achieve quite a lot with Lemtop. We see potential of a product that is improved in terms of safety, but also wider use when it comes to the area that you can apply. So overall, a better product profile. And to give you some background on that, this is a product, Lemtop is targeting actinic keratosis, which is a very common condition in the Western world. In Sweden alone, last year, we had 100,000 new cases. And it's double-digit prevalence if you look in the Northern Hemisphere. The current treatments, the current topical treatments, have significant drawbacks. Some of them are major side effects, especially local skin reactions, and also that they're restricted to use in very small areas. So what we managed to do with Lemtop is develop a new formulation where we can decrease the dose with 50 times. Still, we achieve the same concentration of the active molecule in the target tissue. And we believe that will give us a great chance to reduce side effects, maintaining efficacy, and also allowing a larger treatment area. So those are the main objectives with this phase 2 trial that is ongoing during this year and early next year. Yes, we're very satisfied. We entered the partnership in the US a little bit more than half a year ago, and in these months our partner managed very successfully to secure distribution in all the major retailers. So we have Walgreens, CVS, Walmart and Rite Aid. It's online in drugstore.com. It's with all the major wholesalers as well. So we have great distribution now. The product is available in more than 20,000 stores nationwide in the US. And everything is very well set for the peak season that is starting to come now and for us to increase our marketing and advertising efforts for the product. So it will be an exciting year for us and following the development in the US as well. Absolutely. We're considering both active in-licensing and an active M&A strategy. So our basic strategy when it comes to our portfolio development is that we focus our internal development on new products which are based on proven molecules but make a significant medical difference in the market. It's exactly what we did with Nalox, where we proved that with an investment of about 5-6 million euros, 50 million Swedish kronor, we managed to take a totally new product to the market, which has a peak sales potential of up to $100 million US. So with that concept, we're focusing internally. We are currently having 2 product candidates in phase 2. And we're also evaluating a couple of new product opportunities internally. In addition to that, we're looking for external opportunities, and we are constantly reviewing internal possibilities, which could be in licensing or an acquisition. So that is definitely a path that we want to pursue. Absolutely. The competition for Nalox has not changed that much during the last 2 years. I think our main competitor is still a patient that chooses not to treat their damaged nails or their nails infected with onychomycosis. So I think that in the Western world, the market is about 100 million people in Europe and the US. And the main alternative for those patients have still been to not treat their nails. The previous treatments, the oral alternatives or the old topical treatments, were not perceived good enough. So here with Nalox, we're coming with a new offering, which has in the Nordics been fantastically successful, and we hope to be able to roll that out now with our partnerships with Meda, Menarini, and all our other partners and distributors.